Hi guys, welcome once again to the AI video tutorial. So when I want to create a video script, the first thing I do is I head over to ChatGPT and I upload what I call a viral script to ChatGPT. And what this viral script is all about is allowing ChatGPT to understand how to create a script that I am sure that this script will go viral, right? And I've already created what I call the ultimate ChatGPT prompt for content creators. I'm going to send you that for free. All you need to do to access it is to go to my Instagram and comment ChatGPT on any post at all. I've already automated it so that once you comment that, I will DM you the link. But you have to be following the account for that to work, right? Now, I'm going to give you an example of what I did using ChatGPT for one of my... So right here, I use the ultimate ChatGPT content script to create a viral content for my coach to use for a video I created for him, right? As you can see, I asked the ChatGPT to pretend as if it is my coach Porfo, and then he created a script for that. And then I asked it to edit the script. And then I asked it to also rewrite the script so that it can sound as if he is talking to an audience. And once I was able to do that and the script was ready, I copied out the script, and then I was now ready to go ahead and publish it, go ahead and use that particular script to create the video. So it makes content creation so easy and so seamless. So let's go create the video.